Well, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel once again. I know I said it the last time, I am going to be more consistent with my videos. I'm not. I know I'm not. I bought so many bags since the last video. I'm going to be better at this, but until then you can follow me on Instagram. I do post a lot of my shopping stuff there if I don't post them on YouTube, so I'm going to leave my Instagram right here and in the description box below, so check it out. Let's move on to the video that we all are here for. It was my birthday last month on the 17th, and I celebrated my birthday with my family here, but then I wanted to go to New York because I wanted to buy a few things from the outlet mall. I've never in my life been to a luxury outlet mall, and when I heard about it, I'm like, you know what, I want to go, I want to see what's in there. So I went to the Woodbury Commons or the countryside of New York. So I stopped there on my way to New York and I bought a few things. I didn't know exactly what I wanted, like what brand I wanted, but I knew that I wanted a card holder, I wanted a designer bag, and I wanted a designer bag that I don't have, like any designer that I don't own already. And I also wanted a Polene bag. So I got all three of these things and let me show you guys. One of my favorite stores at the outlet mall was Prada for so many reasons. First of all, their collection was so good. If I didn't have my reedition Prada already, I would have gotten the one that they had. They had the one with gold hardware and I was like, I had to hold myself back and be like, no, we have the one in silver. We don't use it enough. We don't need it. Okay, no. But like, it was great. Like, the collection was really good. I saw this card holder and I was like, you know what? That's what I know. That's what I want. That's exactly what I was looking for. This is what the bag looks like. And then this is the box that has the card holder. Let me unbox it. I have actually been using it. This isn't cheating. I had to put it back just for you guys. I removed all my cards. I used it the minute that I got it. I loved it so much. So, you open it. These are just the two cards in here. And you open that. So that is my card holder, you guys. I am obsessed. What I love is the amount of cards it can hold here and at the back, and it has these little pockets on the side and in the center. So I love that. It has these little, I don't know, authenticity cards or whatever you want to call it in here. So the price was actually $3.75. This was great, and this leather is so durable. I've used this for almost 2 weeks now. I don't see no scratch. They also told me if I wanted to fix anything, I could take it to any Prada store and they'll be able to fix it. So I'm like, okay. I just cannot return it, which I don't want to return. So I'm like, that is great. So this is the Balenciaga bag. Okay. This is the little receipt on top. This is the box. Okay. And that's my baby in here. It's taking a nap. Some of you guys must have seen this on me already because I wore this so much in New York. And this is my bag, you guys. This is the classic city bag. I just put it back just for you to see how it came. This is the bag, you guys. So the bag that I actually initially wanted from Balenciaga all these years is the same bag. It just has more design on it. And I am obsessed. I actually realized I do not own a black and silver crossbody bag. I don't. So I'm like, you know what? This is it. I love every single bit about this bag. Like, this can literally jazz up any plain outfit. And I don't know, I can just look at it all day. The leather feels so good. The zipper is so smooth. And, you know, it's structured enough, but it's also soft enough. Like, I don't want it to be so soft that it's flimsy and it's like falling all over. This is structured enough. It's, you know, it's very, very spacious. I had this with me the whole time in New York. And this little mirror though, like, I never knew that I'd want a mirror so bad. And this little pocket here doesn't hold much, but I can put my coins in here. What's in here? What is this? Well, I'm using next here, obviously, because I was sick. So I have that in there. There's a little zipper in here as well that has my lip liner, obviously. And I guess, what is this? It also had this Balenciaga little card with a number at the back. I don't know for what, but it's, I'm just gonna leave it in there. I'm obsessed, you guys. I love it. I love it. Like, this bag could not be any better. Okay, now that I've showed it to you guys, it's gonna go on my shelf very soon. I've just not put it on my shelf this whole time just because I wanted to, you know, share it with you guys first. Show you guys some mod shots with this bag. And the crook of my arm. It is so comfortable, and I love that the handle could also go down. It doesn't stick up all the time. Let's move on to the next one. This is the bag. If you know, you know, okay? If you know Polene, you know it. Okay, there's a story to this. I just don't want to make this video long. So the story is, I went in thinking I wanted the number 9. Okay, that's what I wanted all this time. For more than a year, I've been planning that I'm going to order it online. But I've thought about it so many times. And then I went with this bag, which I'm pretty happy about. I love the vibe of the whole store in New York. It was so beautiful. It was just so modern. It was, the staff there was really, really helpful. This is their new packaging. So what is this? I'm not even sure. Oh, this is just telling me like how to wear this bag. I'm gonna try to pronounce it, okay? Numero 10, I guess, is the name of this bag, but I know it's number 10. And that's my baby in there. And that is my baby right there. Of the shape of this bag, and you know, in 2023 this crescent shape has been really in, so I'm like, you know what, maybe. And I don't have a shoulder bag this color, so I thought this was really great, and it's very really good quality. I love the color, and this is how it looks on the shoulder. It is pretty long. I can't always make it, I guess this is the shortest. No, it could go one more short. Let me see if I can make it shorter. I am 5'9" for reference, and I will do mod shots because I don't understand bag videos who don't do mod shots, and I'm like, when are you going to show me the bag on you? So I'm going to make sure to do that for sure. It is very understated. It's very, if you know, you know kind of bag, so I love that. I love that not many people have it. I love that it's very, you know, the brand is just here. There is no branding on it, so it's very easy to style it. It's nude, so it would be more spring, summer. It can also be fall, so I love it. This is what the bag looks like on the shortest setting on me. On the shortest setting on my shoulder. If you wanted to wear a top handle, you could. I feel like it is so hard to like use it because the leather is so soft. It's just, I feel like any minute I'm gonna actually just ruin the leather while just changing the straps on it. And this is the longest setting on the shoulder. Like if you wanted to wear it like that. This is what it looks like without any straps. And now I'm going to put my crossbody strap on it. And then this is what the bag looks like on the inside. You guys, that is it for my birthday shopping unboxing. I am so excited for all of my purchases and I can finally openly use it, because I was kind of hiding and using it, kind of trying to not post it, but I still posted it somewhere. I'm so excited. I am so happy. I hope you guys liked what I bought. Let me know which one was your favorite. Also, let me know if you have any one of these things and how are they working for you. Are they durable? Are they not? Let me know. Love you guys so much.